Well, go on, people. But there again, big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. You know, I have some things I want to talk to you about, you know, and a lot of the things that I'm about to say are about sad topics. You see me, I say my people. All right, so let's get started. Now, first things first, when it comes down to this whole situation where it is said that a student of the Wolmer's Boys School who goes by the name of Raheem Shah, who had been shot and killed by his father sometime before or after 3 a.m. on the 28th of September, the year 2022, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that the father had been interviewed by police and he was released. Yeah, it is said that the father had been interviewed by police in the presence of a lawyer and he was released. I also got information that the mother of the teenager who died was also questioned at some point, viewers and subscribers. See? And just to make it very clear, the 15-year-old boy who died is said to be of a Hillshire, St. Catherine, Jamaica address. The initial reports suggest that the father might have mistakenly shot and killed his son, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah. Reports are that the mother alerted the father that someone may have been attempting to gain entry into the house, viewers and subscribers. So the father proceeded to the front door of the house and discharged bullets from a weapon that is said to be a licensed firearm that he had, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, yeah, because at some point it is said that the firearm was seized or taken from the father. So may I say, so it is said that, you know, the father fired shots from the gun, and at some point it is discovered that his son had been shot, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that the son was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. See? So police said they might do investigation about this whole situation. But just to let you know the information we get, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another topic. And this is another sad topic again now, my people. Now, my people, I got information that a student of the Kingston Technical High School stabbed and killed a student of the Kingston Technical High School, viewers and subscribers. The incident happened on the 29th of September, the year 2022. Now, allegedly, it is said that two female students somehow got into an argument. And allegedly, the argument might have started because of gossip. Allegedly, might have started because of gossip. You understand, people? So, it is said that at some point, the situation became very aggressive, and then one female student stabbed the other female student. See? I didn't get any information as to how many times the female had been wounded. You understand? However, the female student who had been accused of stabbing the other female who died was taken into police custody. And just to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, the incident happened at the Kingston Technical High School. And when it comes down to a situation like this, police will do some form of investigation. See? As for videos that are circulating certain places on social media, let me tell the people, all we can say is that the whole situation is bad, you know. I also got information that the student who died is a teenager, you see me? Yeah, I don't want to give no wrong information about the age because I get two different information about the child's age, viewers and subscribers. I say, but it said that the child who died is a teen. And I also saw a picture of the female student who died, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, me see a picture as well. And you know, me also got some unconfirmed information about the whole situation. You know, anyways, my people, you know, always check the comment section of each and every video that I post, because sometimes I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. All right, you can also ask me certain things as well, my people, you know. And I'm going to move on to another topic now, my people. If everything that I've been saying in this video is somewhat informative, please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and to support the Dancehall Skilla channel. You see what I say? Alright, I move on to another topic now. Listen now, see? Now I got information that the musician who goes by the name of Vybz Kartel was transferred to the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. A lot of people might know that place as a GP, or more commonly known as GP. See? Yeah, so it is said that the move was reportedly executed on Thursday. Now, it is said that Vybz Kartel lawyer expressed concern for the health and safety of his client. Yeah, based on information that I got the understanding that Vybz Kartel's lawyer talk about the transfer. Yeah, you know, it's like information I get is that Vybz Kartel lawyer said that the transfer itself was deliberate and or negligent and unacceptable. See? And that transferring Mr. Palmer in the rain, causing him to get wet, given his medical condition, is an attempt on his life. You see me? Now, Vybz Kartel was taken to hospital a certain amount of times for undisclosed reasons, viewers and subscribers. See? I know a lot of people are trying to find out if Vybz Kartel really and truly have some form of illness, or if he's really ill, what that illness might be. See me I say? Yeah. So me get the understanding that Mr. Buchanan talk about the whole situation some more viewers and subscribers, and you know, just to make you know about that situation there as much as I can. You know, I also got information about a female who did an interview on Fox News and talked about Vybz Kartel. See? Yeah, I got the understanding that some allegations and assumptions have been made about who is that female to Vybz Kartel, you see me? But I'm not getting into that, you see me? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I post a video that shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining a person who was said to be a taxi operator. And information that I got about the whole situation gave me the understanding that quite a number of taxi operators within Manchester, Jamaica was upset about the incident or the whole situation that involves the police and the man who is said to be a taxi operator. You see me? I also did say some things that can be considered as some form of promise to give an update about the whole situation if possible. Well, based on information that I got, the protest happened, viewers and subscribers. Yes, based on information that I got, the protest happened. And for those who might have not seen the video that shows some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining the person who is said to be a taxi operator, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if I click that link will take you to the video where you can see some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining a person who is said to be a taxi operator. Now, the roadblock caused traffic pile-up. Yeah, the roadblock caused traffic pile-up. And it is said that debris was in a section of the road in Manchester, Jamaica, and the taxi operators protested because they were upset about how police officers treated a taxi operator. So, my people, I also saw a video that shows a person who is said to be the taxi operator who had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Jamaica. And I'm going to try and explain to you how I understand some of the things that he said in that video that I saw, viewers and subscribers. So listen to me carefully, alright? Now, in my words, and based on how I understand some things that the man who is said to be the taxi operator said, I got the understanding that he said that police handcuffed him and that police beat him and that them carry him go a station. See, in my point of view, that means police station, viewers and subscribers, and that he said that police handcuff him to a bench or the bench. You see me I say? And I also got the understanding that the person claimed that police box him in his face. See me I say? Yeah, in my point of view, I think that means that he had been slapped in the face by a police or by police. You see me I say? While the person was saying all these things in the video that I saw, viewers and subscribers, I saw tears coming from the man's eyes. I also got the understanding that taxi operators say that because there is no proper transportation center in Christiana, they are being found in breaches by the police. Yes, what me I say? Yeah, I got the understanding that taxi operators somewhat say or explain that because there is no proper transportation center in a Christiana, taxi operators are find themselves in a problem with police, you know, like parking violations and so forth. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So when I really and truly check it out, I think this is a situation that the necessary authorities should take a look into. You know what I mean? Because if taxi operators don't have a proper place to park, and if they park certain places and then at the same time I find themselves in trouble with the law, then in my point of view, that would come in like there is no escaping the problem. Because, you know, it just set away. You understand what I say? Yeah, don't get me wrong, you know. I'm a law-abiding citizen, but, you know, where there is truth and right about something, I'm going to point it out. I just saw me say. So I say, taxi operators somewhat talk about some form of private property as a parking area, but it is now under construction for a commercial building. See, so it is said that taxi operators say that the parking agreement on Wildman Street, commonly referred to as Market Street, is dangerous. See, so I just so me get the information me give my people. What do you think about that whole situation they do, my people? What do you think? Yeah, what do you think about a situation like that? Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.